Hello guys. Okay, I need to. Oh, sorry if you can't hear me. I need to tell you one thing. I don't know if you knew this, but I was born in Boston, Massachusetts. And the Boston Marathon, I know that happened today, and I just the bombing, and I'm really sad for it. Luckily, none of my family members were there, but I'm just really, really sad about it. Cause like, what if they were? What if they were there? I'm sorry, there's light in my face. There's the window over there, but seriously, what what the hell happened? I mean, bombings? Seriously? Just I'm sorry, I just wanted to get that off the chest. But seriously, I'm pissed off.